What's good, y'all? My name's Zilly and I broke the Matrix at 19. I'm about to take you guys on a day in my life. Let's get it.
Spaz on this, I'm gonna go crazy. Check this out. Always got some motion. I done got it all. I'm some fraud with no poking. I'm the type.
So it's currently 8:13 in the morning. I woke up at 5 today and I got about 3 hours of work in doing back-end stuff for my businesses. Now it is still winter out here. As you can see, we're in a field. We got a little bit of snow. I'm currently just in the TRX, so I'm gonna go f up the field a little bit, do some donuts, and then we'll hit the track on my E-Ride Pro. And by that time, the team should be arriving to start their day working at the shop, and I'll get them started. And then we're gonna go to the exotic car dealership and look at a Ferrari. Boys, it is so icy. As soon as I hit a little grass, it's gonna catch like crazy, I bet. Nope. It is so much more fun when there's actual snow out here. It's still fun as hell though to be ripping a TRX through a field. God damn, this thing's crazy, bro. Oh shit. Bro, this is straight ice right here. This is like literally a pond. We had about a foot or a foot and a half of standing water here like a week ago. I rode the E-Ride Pro Mini right through it for a video. That shit was sick. And now it's cold, so it froze again. Oh shit. Bro, the TRX sounds so crazy when it shifts. Oh my God, I love it. Damn, this thing's a monster, bro. All right. Woo, one more. Roll back. God damn, this thing's insane. All right, boys, let's go get on the E-Ride Pro and rip the track a little bit. Alrighty, boys, we're on the E-Ride Pro now. Oh, it is icy out here today, boys. Beautiful day though, is it not? Some of you guys are gonna tell me I don't have a track here, I just have 2 jumps. What this is the start to a track. As soon as it gets warm enough, you can bet that I will most definitely be building a full-on motocross track in this field. 100%. Oh, and also for those of you that don't know, I've never learned to jump. I may be able to wheelie like crazy, but I do not know how to jump. So I'm still learning. Be nice in the comments. Woo! One thing that I will say about jumping is it feels just as good as when you're learning to wheelie. Oh my God, does it ever feel good to roll up to this thing, hit a bipper on it, and land it. Ooh, that got a little dicey right there, bro. Alrighty, one more. Yes, sir. Wheelie action, right up to Rexy, and ooh, that ice is crazy, bro. Doesn't this carbon hood just look so insane? Just imagine a Ferrari with a carbon hood, bro. All right, boys, now that I've gotten a little bit of fun out of the way for the day, I'm in the shop, just waiting for the team to show up, gonna get them started for the day. And here's my master plan. So we got the Surron Hyper-V, we got the E-Ride Pro Mini right here, and we're gonna go over to the mall in the big city, and we're gonna ride these things right through the mall, bro. So I'm gonna wait here for the team, get them all started for the day, load the 2 bikes up into Rexy, we're gonna hit the road, and we're gonna go cruise some mini motos right through the mall. Alrighty, ladies and gents, we have spawned in at the mall on the Hyper-V, and now it's time to go inside. I heard this place is super dead, but there does seem to be a decent amount of cars. So maybe not. We're about to see though. I don't want to go in the main entrance right there. I think we're gonna go in right here. Just gonna go over here really quick and dry off my tires. I'd hate to slip. That looks like it might be the back roads. Wheelie time. Yes, sir. Oh, what's going on? No way, bro. We've got a whole Pokemon convention going on. Oh, what's going on? What's the event, guys?
It's a card show.
Card show? Sweet. Well, Surron, man. Bro, this card show is huge. Takes up the whole 2nd floor of this whole place. Oh, sick jersey, bro. Love it. No way. Is that Pikachu on the shoulder, bro?
Yes, it is.
Yo, that is so sick. Hey, what's your favorite Pokemon? Let's go. Have a good one, brother.
You too, man.
Yer. Yer. What up, dude? You got some Pokemon cards?
Yeah.
What one's your favorite?
This one.
That one?
Yeah. Around 400.
400?
Yeah.
Damn.
How much is that bike though?
This one's like 3,000. It's a Surron Hyper-B.
Oh, that's one. I'll be riding that around the mall, bro.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Well, yeah, I appreciate you letting me know. Have a good one, brother.
You too.
Nice bag.
Thanks.
That was so random. It's like a civilian telling me I can't ride my bicycle inside? What? What's good, my man? How you doing today? That was an interesting NPC. Quite the odd interaction. What is this stuff? Bro, what? Hey, bro, you gotta be about the only person wearing chrome within a 1,000-mile radius. With a little one hand in the mall. Oh! That was terrible. Like your shirt.
Thank you.
It's very nice.
Some children did that.
Oh, you have a good day, ma'am. What a sweet old lady. Yer. Hey, mom, one day, yes. Keep him safe though. Always wear a helmet. Y'all have a good day. What cool people. Bro, I can't believe there's been 0 security, just one civilian telling me that I can't ride. Yo, what? What's good, bro? Is this a course or just a shooting range?
Just a shooting range.
Just a range? You buy guns here too?
Yep, everything.
You got all kinds of different Nerf stuff, huh? Or no, airsoft. Airsoft. Sick shot, bro. What's that? I can't ride inside? I wasn't sure, low key. Sometimes they say it's a personal mobility scooter. Which way's the exit?
Right out this way.
I got you, bro. Hey, you have a good day.
I'm calling on you right now.
Ah, and we out. Off we go, boys. That was a successful mission. Maplewood Mall, I give it a solid 7 out of 10. That was pretty dope, to be honest. And it wasn't even that dead. Let me know what y'all think down below. I had a blast. From here, boys, it's time to go look at some supercars. Mission success, boys. We have made it out the mall.
Bands, blue bands, blue bands. Blue bands, blue bands, blue bands. Check my pants, they say true, man. They say true, man. Blue bands, blue bands, blue bands.
Boys, turns out we were a whole entire day early for that concert. We pulled up last night, whole entire day early. So we're back in the city a day later. This is the homie right here. Won the FactoryZ giveaway bike. What do you think of it, bro?
It's sweet.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Maybach music.
I work, it's probably only 7 miles from here, like in Brooklyn Center, so like even to come down to my buddy's place, it's not gonna be bad.
Hell yeah, bro.
Excited about it.
Hey, everybody's got to stay off the sidewalks now, bro.
They do.
They got to know it's coming. Gonna be a wheelie machine in no time.
You're gonna get her dialed.
Absolutely, bro.
What time is it? And I looked at the clock and there, I was like, it's 4:20. It's 4:20. I started hitting this thing right in my rock. Yeah, I was like, let's go.
Blue bands, blue bands, blue bands.